Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix your Pioneer radio. The version I have is an MVH200EX. So what's happening is that I had how do I say it, like, so I could listen to music and everything, but my display would not show up. Like, I would see that it's on, but it would be like black, but it wouldn't turn on or anything. So I wouldn't get no picture and stuff like that. So I could listen to music perfectly fine. The colors would change and everything. The only thing is I couldn't turn it off. I would hold down the button which is supposed to turn it off, that, like that, but it wouldn't do it. I would be pressing the display button that turns the display off and it still wouldn't work. So what I did was, pretty much, I tried everything. I looked at videos and everything. No one pretty much knows what to do, but I got bored and just poked around, and I see like that there's this little tiny hole right here. So pretty much what you have to do if you're battling with, like, oh, you can't, the screen's not working, like the sound's not working, something like that, pretty much what you're gonna want to do is pretty much just grab like a pen, grab a pen, and you pretty much just poke that hole, which will reset the whole radio. As soon as I did that, it started working like brand new.